XIZI XEC series escalator is safe and intelligent. Integrated drive optimization design. No driving chain. Eliminate the chain brake. The motor shift safety issues. Imported encoder is 8 times more precise than traditional speed switch. Better security. Working brake applies micro switch and the built-in flywheel machine. Achieves higher precision and stronger impact resistance. Effective isolation from accidental contact. Independent developed thin gear reduction box. Brings strong torque. Transmission efficiency 10% higher compared to traditional machine. No need of drive chain lubrication. Environmental protection and energy saving. Ensuring power transmission smooth, reliable. Civil engineering max can be 370 mm shortened. Effectively save space, creating the most competitive escalator in the industry. All the parts of escalator pass ANSYS finite element analysis, rigorous testing and certification. Safety control switches throughout the escalator always protect the safety of the passengers. Aluminum alloy handrail entries are high strength, corrosion resistance, long service life, higher glass balustrade, higher in safety. The inclined decking inside and outside prevents accidental climb. Opening a front plate immediately activates safety switch and stops the escalator. Internality supported by high-intensity beams. All moving parts in machine room with isolation protection. Additional fixed supporting structure for medium plate. Effectively prevent accidents caused by maintenance work and supporting plate movement. Escalator control system can self-study, self-test, and mobile app replaces traditional debugging servers. Maintenance management system can automatically detect escalator operating status and send text messages to remind maintenance. Energy feedback system accurately backfeeds operation energy consumption and ensures the escalator is always in a state of optimization. LED lighting, delicate and eye-catching. Higher safety, just in XIZI XEC series escalator.